Hello everybody, Crewsby here, and today I'm back with another tutorial for you. You know the Furnace XP farm that I came up with and did the tutorial on? Well, I came up with this contraption yesterday as a disposal unit for it. So this would get filled up and it would go in here once you unlock the contraption here. And it would turn on this timer and it would dispose all the items into this lava. And a great thing about this design is that it is tileable, so that means you could have these right next to each other just like this, and yeah, it's pretty good. And the funny part about this video here is that Xisumavoid asked people to help him come up with an idea like this. I was like, hey, you know what, I just came up with an idea like that yesterday. Why don't I make a video on it so he can see it? And if he does sees it, I hope he takes it into consideration and works off of it if he needs. But basically, here it is tileable. If you don't want to waste repeaters, you can have this checkerboard pattern, or you could just go like this if you really wanted. But basically the purple and blue shows the different tiles you can use with this, and this glass here is just to hold the lava in. Of course you don't need to use glass, but I just used it for aesthetic reasons. And yeah, basically that's how it is. You can move the lever around using observers or any other means you want. And I set up an example over here. Up here is basically the bottom of the collection unit I set up for my Furnace XP farm tutorial that you can go watch. It's the one over there, and basically you have your furnaces here, and it would get filled up with all the green dye, and then once it's full, you can come over here and click it, and it would come over here and unlock it, and then it would start getting rid of the green dye for you, and then you can flick it back off, and you can do that for all four of them. And I have a master level here if you want to use all of them at the same time, so you don't have to click every single one. That's this right here. You can ignore these observers if you want. These are just a compact way to flick the levers from a distance. I'm sure there's other ways to do it, but that's just how I decided to. And basically that's how that works. As you can see over here, you can pretty much fit it under here, like under this chest right here. This is where you would have that locked hopper, and the contraption would be going towards the bamboo farm right here. And I set up a large show for you, and basically all these observers are just the levers, so you can ignore that if you wish. Basically I'm showing you here that it is tileable for a great distance, and on the one over there I used redstone for the master lever to unlock the contraption around here. But if your contraption's bigger than 15 blocks, because that's how far redstone goes, you might want to use another observer chain to unlock all these pistons here. And yeah, this is basically how it works. You unlock all that, shoots the green dye into the lava, and that's how it works. So I hope you like that. And basically I'm going to show you here how you would make it. So right here, it's pretty easy because it's tileable. The dropper is facing towards the lava there, just like that. And this is a basic observer timer here, so this is the front. And yeah, that's basically how it works. For each unit you're going to need these following things here. And if you're gonna tile the checkerboard thing, and if it's gonna be like this and this, like the checkerboard right there, you're gonna need 3 repeaters for that purple one, and you're gonna need 4 for the blue one. And all this would be the same, and these hoppers and furnaces are just for the Furnace XP farm part up here. There's 3 hoppers and furnace, otherwise it would just be the chest there. And yeah, this is basically how the contraption works. I hope you like this showcase / tutorial video, and I'll be uploading more videos soon. Bye.